So let's start off. What is allied health? We just want to start off by defining what this is. Allied healthcare is a very broad term that includes a variety of healthcare services and providers. Most insurance programs in this space focus on standalone facilities. So this is your non-hospital owned or operated. And it's the facilities that deliver specific services directly to clients. So whether it's a home health agency, residential care facility, or an outpatient clinic, the allied health category covers a wide and diverse spectrum of business types, which makes understanding the nuances really important. And I just want to start off by going over the current state of the allied health market. There's a lot happening in the allied health insurance space. We're seeing some carriers exit the market, which in a sense creates new opportunities for brokers who understand the classes. But at the same time, there's been a surge in organic growth across the industry, making it a great time to get involved if you haven't already. So simply put, now is the perfect time for agents, brokers to lean into allied health. This really could be a key opportunity to generate revenue for your agency. So just to dive right into, the opportunity with allied health. Allied health is a growing market. It's driven by an aging population, advancements in technology, and increasing healthcare needs, which is all indicating a significant job growth in the coming years. So allied health professionals are a key part in this expansion. Healthcare continues to be one of the fastest growing industries in the US. That means, more startups, more new ventures, and more companies seeking coverage for the first time. And I mentioned a couple of them, but some of the biggest drivers of growth is the aging baby boomer population, the ongoing expansion of telehealth and virtual care, and the booming anti-aging and wellness industry, which we've seen a huge increase in. So these trends are definitely not slowing down, which is why allied health is such an exciting opportunities for producers right now. So I want to just dive in also to some allied healthcare coverages. This slide does not include all coverages that we would recommend, but it is a good starting point of what direction to go into if you are new to writing allied health. So nearly every allied health organization has both a general liability, your GL, and professional liability, your PL exposure. Some people may think, GL is enough, but having just a general liability policy in place alone is not enough. If your clients are relying on having only GL coverage, it can create, coverage gaps and can leave the clients underinsured. So having a professional liability policy is crucial for, any allied health professionals because it is intended to protect them financially from any type of potential lawsuit or claim that arises from an error or omission or negligence in patient care. And just want to mention most of these policies are written on a claims made and reported basis. Something to note is these policies, they come with specific claim reporting guidelines. So it's very important as the broker that you're going over those timelines and claim reporting rules with your client when presenting a quote. And then lastly, just want to touch on the abuse and molestation coverage. We really have seen a rise in this. Typically, the abuse and molestation coverage is crucial for these type of organizations who work with the more vulnerable populations, which is the elderly, disabled adults, children. So we really have seen a rise in the requirements of having abuse and molestation coverage and more specific limits being required through certain contracts. So again, the slide doesn't include all coverages, but is a good starting point of what direction to go into if you're new to writing allied health and you get a risk on your desk.